Welcome back, everyone. Now that we understand what accounting is and how transactions are recorded, we're going to talk about accounting bases. There are many kinds of accounting bases, such as cash bases, accrual bases, modify accrual bases, tax bases, government bases, and etc. Our main concern in this lesson is the cash bases and the accrual bases. The difference between them came from big question. Do we record transaction when cash move or we record it when it's actually happen? The answer depends on the basis of accounting we use. Under the cash basis, revenue and expenses are recorded only when cash is received or paid. It doesn't matter when the service is performed or when the expenses is incurred. Only when cash move. As this example, you perform a service in March, customers pay you in April, revenue recorded in April only, not in March. And why is that? Because that's when the cash is received. Because we only track cash movement, the traditional financial statements don't fully apply. There is no balance sheet showing asset and liability like account receivable or payable, neither no income statement as traditional sense. In the balance sheet, we deal only with cash and equity. So, the formula for balance sheet or statement of cash and equity is cash equal equity. As there is no income statement, there is statement of cash receipt and disbursement. This statement simply shows two things: cash receives from all sources and cash paid to all sources. Moving to the most important and widely used basis, accrual basis of accounting. Under the accrual basis, revenue and expenses are recorded when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when cash move. We go back to the same example we give in the accrual accountings, give more accurate picture to perform. We record account receivable to service revenue when we do the service, and then when we receive cash, we debit cash and credit account receivable to eliminate account receivable, and as the cash will show in debit and service revenue will show in credits. That difference arises from in cash basis we only record cash, while in accrual basis we record the performance when it's happened and we record when the cash received or paid. In balance sheets, account receivable, prepaid expense, account payable, accrued expenses, unearned revenue, and other stuff, it's all here because of the accrual basis of accounting. Example also here in the income statement, like we have rent expense and we pay in advance for 4 months. From this 4 months, only two related to this year. So here we subtract only total of 2 months, and what left will be here in a prepaid expense. We're gonna expense it in the next year, and we will show it in rent expense in the next year also. So for now, this is what you need to understand about the difference between the cash base and the accrual base. All our lessons and example will be about the accrual base because it's used for now, like 95% of company they use the accrual basis, and when we move forward and we get more example, we're gonna understand it more. So I'll see you in the next lesson.